Hi guys, I've just returned from winter camping trip when we once again had a chance to test out the Vevor diesel heater. This little orange box really makes a huge difference when it comes to camping in the winter. Just a few weeks back I received this square-shaped 8 kilowatt model. In the box there was a whole kit. The diesel heater, the air hose, the muffler, the exhaust, clamps and bolts and everything you need to make it whole. All you have to do is just pour some diesel inside the tank, connect the power supply, and you can enjoy the warmth. The only thing that I've upgraded was the hot air hose outlet. Now it's longer and more flexible. Give yourself a favor, buy a diesel heater and enjoy the winter camping. Take care. Sure.